5 exciting ways to connect to your partner through mindfulness. One of the greatest benefits of mindfulness is that it allows you to deepen your relationships with your partner and loved ones. There are even certain mindfulness techniques designed for connecting with your partner. Today, we will explore 5 exciting ways to help you connect to your partner through mindfulness. First off, be mindful alone. Now, this may sound a little backward, but practice mindfulness alone to connect with your partner. Practicing mindfulness for yourself will improve your overall well being and satisfaction in life. It also increases your compassion. Together, these factors will help you appreciate and respect your partner more. Encourage your partner to do the same for themselves as well. If both parties are dedicated to mindfulness on their own, their relationship as a whole will be much stronger and more fulfilling. Number 2, listen. We often hear communication is a key to a healthy relationship, but communication and comprehension is what really matters. One of the best ways to be mindful with your partner is to fully listen when they speak. This does not mean simply hearing what your partner has to say. Instead, you actively listen, try your best to understand, and reflect on what is being said. Number 3, breathe together. Breathing is a simple yet effective way of connecting with your partner. Breathing in sync with another person is incredibly intimate and requires a lot of comfortability. Even though it may be a little awkward at first, try your best to fight through the giggles to simply breathe with one another. If you can sync up your breath, even better. Number 4, remove technology. Netflix is a great way to bond with your partner, but it can also hinder connection and intimacy. Practice mindfulness with your partner by removing technology to just be with one another. Since our lives are constantly bombarded with technology, this may be a little weird at first, but it is a reliable way to connect with your partner through mindfulness. And number 5, hold eye contact. Just like breathing, holding eye contact with someone for a long amount of time requires a lot of comfortability and security. Strengthen your connection with your partner by holding eye contact with one another for an extended amount of time. This mindful practice will be awkward at first, but it will increase compassion and affection for one another.